Today, I'll be revealing some apps on the Google Play Store to watch movies and TV series all for free. Now, some of these apps are also available for iOS devices as well. And the best part is that these apps are 100% legal. Now, without wasting further of your time, let's get right to it. Now, simply open your Play Store app and search for free movies. Now, I'm going to be explaining how each and every one of these apps work and what kind of movies and content you are going to be finding on these platforms. Now, number one on my list that you guys have to give a try is Plex TV. Now, on Plex TV, you'll be able to access a lot of movies and TV series all for free on the platform. Also, Plex TV also have live TV channels available, so do give it a try. Next on my list, let me scroll down a little bit to show you which one are actually worth downloading. Now, Crunchyroll down here is also worth downloading. That's if you are an anime lover, because with Crunchyroll you'll be able to access a lot of anime like totally for free, legally for free, just with ads. You'll be able to watch a lot of the popular anime and newest anime also on this app called Crunchyroll, but it's for anime lovers. So next on my list now is this one that is called Filmzy. Now, Filmzy is a platform where you'll be able to access movies and TV series all for free on their platform. So you can see that you have different categories that you can actually access on this platform. So you guys do give Filmzy a try. Now, I'm just trying to make sure that this video I don't waste your time, so I'm just going straight to the point without wasting any time. Now, next is OSN Plus. OSN Plus is a platform where you can actually access a lot of high quality movies. Like when it comes to high quality, OSN Plus actually delivers. So you can see that. So you can also give this platform called OSN Plus a try. Just download the app and give it a try. They have a lot of free movies for you to enjoy. Now, next is Plex TV. Plex TV is already quite popular. I think I've already mentioned Plex TV. Let me check. Yeah, I've mentioned Plex TV already. So let me move to something else. So you can see Viki. Viki is a platform for people that love Asian dramas, people that love international dramas, Korean dramas and stuff like that. So if you're that type of person that actually likes stuff like that, then do give Viki a try, because you'll be able to access a whole lot of that on this platform called Viki. So let's scroll and check if there's still another one that is worth checking out. All right, Just Watch. Now, Just Watch is more like a search engine. When you are looking for movies, most times you have to do a lot of search to look for where you can actually watch those movies. But if you have Just Watch, you don't have to be searching for platforms where to watch movies anymore. If you are interested in any specific movie, just come on Just Watch, search for it, and it's going to tell you exactly where you'll be able to watch those movies legally. So that's how Just Watch works. So you can download it and make it your movie companion. And the best part about this Just Watch is that if there's a new episode, it's also going to notify you that there's a new episode for you to watch, so you can keep track of your movies. Now, moving on, let me check if there's any other one that is worth your time. Now, lastly, there's Amazon Prime Video. Now, Amazon Prime Video is a premium platform, but a lot of people do not know that it actually has a section which is like a free with ads section. In that section, you'll be able to watch a couple of movies and TV series for free or with ads. So do give it a try. Once you download this app, just look for a section that they wrote with ads or free with ads. If you're actually to find that section, just click on it. You'll be able to watch a lot of content in there for free with ads without having to pay a monthly fee legally on their platform. Now, do give each and every one that I've mentioned in this video a try, and let me know which one you actually prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.